question is question number 10. AB is parallel to CD. This point is B. So AB is parallel to CD. Angle ABO is 50 degree and angle CDO is 45 degree. And we have to find angle BOD. Now see, these two are parallel and these two are not transversal because they are not cutting both the parallel line at the same time. Okay, so they have no direct relationship between these two angles and you can say they are not equal. This is 50 degree and this is 45 degree. Now how will you find this angle BOD? So here we need to construct a line EF which is parallel to AB. So you have to write here construction. What you have constructed. Draw a line, draw EF parallel to AB. Now AB is parallel to CD, that is given to you, and AB is also parallel to EF by construction. This is given and this is by construction. So two lines CD and EF are parallel to the same line AB. So that's why they are parallel to each other. That I have told you. If two lines parallel to the same line are parallel to each other. So therefore CD will also be parallel to EF. As I have told you in geometry, write the reason of each and every step. So what reason? Two lines parallel to same line are parallel to each other. Is that clear? AB is parallel to CD is given to you. We have drawn a line EF parallel to AB. If it is parallel to AB, then it is automatically parallel to CD. Now you can see, this is a transversal. OD is a transversal for EF and CD. And OB is a transversal for AB and EF. Now you can find this angle by which relation? Alternate interior angle. So this angle will also be 45 degree. And these two angles will be equal. Same relation. Alternate interior angle. And now you need to find angle BOD. When you add these two angles, you will get angle BOD. Means the angle BOD will be 95 degree. 50 plus 45, 95 degree. So how will you do? As AB is parallel to EF and OB is a transversal. So therefore angle ABO equal to angle BOF. By which relation? Alternate interior angles. Clear? Now similarly, here EF is parallel to CD. As EF is parallel to CD and OD is a transversal. So therefore angle CDO will be equal to DOF, that is 45 degree, and here it will be 50 degree. By same reason, alternate interior angles. Clear? Now you have found this angle as well as this angle. When you add these two angles, you will get angle BOD, which we want to find. That is, angle BOD will be equal to angle BOF plus angle DOF. DOF is 50, DOF is 45 degree. So therefore angle BOD will be 95 degree. Is that clear? You are given with two lines parallel. Means AB is parallel to CD. These two angles are given and you need to find angle BOD. Means this angle BOD. And there is no direct relationship between these two parallel lines because the transversals are not same. So here you need to draw one more parallel line, EF. EF is parallel to AB, you have drawn, and if it is parallel to AB, then it is automatically parallel to the CD. You have to write the reason why they are parallel, because when two lines parallel to the same line are parallel to each other, and then this angle will be 45 degree by alternate interior angle. This angle will be 50 degree, same alternate interior angle, and when you add these two angles, you will get angle BOD. Is that clear?